Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jay Mehta here from Mumbai. In this short patient educational video, we will try and understand about the procedure for ovum pickup or egg collection. Now see, as a patient, you are already aware that when your treatment for IVF is going on, you are taking hormonal injections. And at that time, your doctor is doing vaginal ultrasound or internal sonography in order to look at follicles. So typically when you look at the sonography screen, the follicles are those black and white structures which you see. So once the injection for trigger or the maturation of eggs is given to you, then usually 36 to 37 hours after that is the time when your egg pickup will be done. Now one must remember one thing, that this is a procedure which is done standardly across all IVF clinics across the world. It is a very standard procedure and all IVF clinicians will be very good at doing this procedure. It is a very safe procedure. Usually this procedure will be done under some form of anesthesia. So it can either be general anesthesia or it can be local anesthesia, which is a pericervical block. You will be wondering, how is the doctor going to take out so many follicles, using the ultrasound technology? So what is done is, after you are giving anesthesia, just like how an internal ultrasound is done, as you can see, a needle is passed through the vagina straight into the follicles. This needle then aspirates out. So basically it sucks out all these follicles at a set pressure and at a set temperature. Both these things are very important, to have a good pressure and the correct temperature. So temperature is usually kept at 37 degrees, which is our body temperature. You can see in a series manner. That means one by one in a correct flow, the doctor is trying to pick up the follicles. And you can see that the ovary is getting empty, it is getting collapsed. Now this procedure will be done on both the sides because women have ovary on two sides. You must remember that this procedure is being shown to you in real time. That means this entire procedure on an average will finish in approximately 2 to 3 minutes, because on an average we are expecting approximately 15 to 20 follicles in a lady with good egg counts. At the end of this procedure, you are shifted back to your room. You will be staying in the room for probably an hour and then you can go back home. What is important to remember is that once you are in the room, the doctor is analyzing the fluid, the follicle fluid which has been collected, in order to watch out for something called as COCs, which you as patients are going to call as eggs, but we call them as cumulus oophorus complexes, is what you can actually see inside the microscope which we've tried to share. So within 1 hour you are going to be fine. In fact, at our place, most of the patients who finish this procedure, they are allowed to go back to work. Well, usually they take a half day and they come to get this procedure done. So they are allowed to go back to work. There is no set of antibiotics given post procedure. We try to give mild painkillers, just antispasmodics for 1 to 2 days to the patients. Remember, you are not going to be affected through the end of this procedure and you are going to recover very quickly. You can have little bit of bloating. You can have little bit of pain in the lower abdomen. That is because your ovaries are trying to get back to their normal size. However, if you do experience something like difficulty in breathing, too much distension of abdomen, if you feel that you are not able to pass urine like how you are normally planning, that's when you need to suspect something called as OHSS, that is ovarian hyperstimulation syndrome. Just report to your clinic. This is going to need medical attention and your IVF clinic will take care of it. I hope this is a total patient educational video. I hope this video serves purpose, and to all patients who are undergoing the procedure for egg pickup either at our clinic or various other clinics, I hope this helps in reducing the anxiety associated with this procedure. Thank you so much.